So next, seventh one. Find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which D is equal to 7. So what is given? Yes, 22 we need to find. So find the sum of first 22 terms. See, every time I told you that if they ask to find the sum means they ask if we need to use n by 2 into bracket of 2a plus n minus 1 into d formula. For that they have to ask like this. So find the sum of first 22 terms. So the word sum of first, so that is important. Sum of first ಅಂತ word use ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ SN formula ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Okay, find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which D is 7. So common difference is given and the 22nd term is 149. What is this 22nd term means?
AN, sir.
Very good. So AN is given, that is 149. So in that AN, N is also we know. What is N?
22.
Very good. So in AN, AN is 149. In that N is 22 and D is 7. These things are given. We need to find SN. So D is 7. A22 is 149. S22 we have to find. Before this, we have to find first term by using this AN. Okay, A22 is given. So AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So in that AN, 149 is equal to A plus 22 minus 1 into D is 7. 22 minus 1 is 21. 21 into 7. Okay, 21 into 7. So 149 is equal to A plus 21 into 7. So 21 into 7 is how much? 147. 149 minus 147 is what? 2. A is 2. So A is 2. So by we know all the things. A is 2, D is 7, N is 22. By the formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket of A plus AN, or you may use Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket of 2A plus n minus 1 into D. You will get S22. So here we have nth term. So directly we can use n by 2 into bracket of A plus L or A plus AN. So here Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket of A plus AN. That is S22 is equal to 22 divided by 2 into bracket of A is what? 2 plus AN is 149. 2 ones are 2 11s are 11 into 151. 11 into 151. That becomes S22 is equal to 1661 is the answer. S22 is 1661. So 1661. So take the screenshot for the notes. Yes, we'll move to next question. Find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third term are given, that is 14 and 18 respectively. Okay, so what they asked?
SN.
Yes, 51. So find the sum of first 51 terms means we have to use SN formula, but they are asked to find S51. Okay, whose second term and third term are respective 14 and 18 respectively. It means second term is 14, third term is 18. So here A2. So this is what? A2. See here they have given A2 like this. So A2 small letter there. So A2 is 14, A3 is 18. We have formula what D is equal A2 and A3 is given means what? They are respective terms. After A2, A3 comes. If we subtract A3 minus A2, A3 minus A2 will give what? Common difference D. So A3 minus A2, that is 18 minus 14, that is 4. 4 is the common difference. So we have common difference 4. So A2 is given by what? A plus D. So A2 is 14. 14 is equal to A plus 4. So A is how much? 14 minus 4. A is 10. See here. A2 is 14 is equal to A plus D is 4. Just we found. So 14 minus this 4 becomes 10. So A is 10. We have D is 4 and A is 10. Okay. We can find Sn or not? Yes. S51 we can easily find. Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket of 2A plus n minus 1 into D. S51 is equal to 51 divided by 2. 2 into A is 10 plus 51 minus 1. D is 4. Okay. So Sn is equal to 51 by 2. 2 tens are 20 plus 51 minus 1 is 50. 50 into 4 is 200. 200 plus this 20 is 220. So here this becomes, so this is equal to 51 by 2 into bracket of 20 plus 200. 54 is 200. So this is equal to 51 by 2 into 220. So this becomes what? 2 ones are 2 ones are 1s are 0s. So this is equal to what? 51 into 110. So 51 into 110 becomes how much? So 51 into 110 becomes 5610. Take the screenshot. Okay, we'll move to next problem. Yes. Wait, yes. Hello, everyone listening my voice?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Right. If the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49. So what is given? Sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49. Means It means what? If the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49, means what?
S7 is equal to 49, sir.
Now, very good. S7 is equal to 49. And that of 17 terms is 289. See, the word and that of, the word and that of indicates what? And that of 17 terms is 289.
S17 is 289, sir.
Yes, very good. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 17 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ A17 ಅಲ್ಲ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ S17. You have to understand like that. So this word indicates that thing. The sum of first 7 terms is terms of an AP is 49, means S7 is equal to 49 and S17 is equal to 289. Find sum of first n terms, means we need to find Sn. We need to find Sn. Okay. For that, see here, S7 is 49, S17 is 289, S7 is given by Sn is equal to, so substitute other values in this. S7 is equal to 7 by 2 into bracket of 2a plus 6d. 7 minus 1 is 6d. So 49 is equal to, S7 is given, 49 is equal to 7 by 2 into bracket of 2a plus 6d. If 2 comes this side, 7 by 2 comes this side, means 2 in the numerator and 7 in the denominator. 7 sevens are 49. So 7 into 2 is 14. 14 is equal to 2a plus 6d. So if again we divide with 2, means 14 becomes 7 and 2a becomes, so not understood, means I will explain this one. So 49 into 2 divided by 7 is equal to 2a plus 6d. See here, 7 ones are 7 sevens are 49. 7 into 2 is what? 14 is equal to 2a plus 6d. So this and this all are divided by 2. So divide throughout by 2, we will get what? 7. 2 sevens are 14, 2 ones are 2 plus 2 threes are 6. So that is 7 is equal to a plus 3d here. 7 is equal to a plus 3d. Okay. Next, so a plus 3d is equal to 7. In reverse order, you can write a plus 3d equal to 7 or 7 equal to a plus 3d. So call this as equation 1. In the same way, 17th term. So similarly, 17th term, S17 is equal to 17 by 2 into bracket of 2a plus 17 minus 1 is 16d. So 289 is equal to 17 by 2. If this 17 by 2 comes to the left side, means that becomes 2 divided by 17. 17 ones are 17 17s are. 17 into 2 is 34. So 34 is equal to what? 2a plus 16d. 34 and 2a and 16d all are divided by 2. So again, if you divide by 34 with 2, that becomes 17 equal to 2a. 2 le divide madidre, that is also a, plus 16 in 2 in the divide madidre 8. So 17 is equal to a plus 8d. So 17 is equal to a plus 8d. So a plus 8d equal to 17. So equation number 2. A plus 8d is equal to 17, equation number 2. So in equation 1 and 2, we can easily eliminate a by simplifying 1 and 2 by elimination method. So subtract equation 2 from 1. So a get cancel. 8d minus 3d. 8d minus 3d is what? 5d. That is
5.
equal to 17 minus 7. 17 minus 7 is what? 10. So 5d is equal to 10. So d is equal to what? 2. So everyone understand this concept? Otherwise, I will explain this term. So here subtract equation 2 from 1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So equation 2 ನ ಮೊದಲು ಬರೆಯೋಣ. A plus 8d is equal to 17. A plus 3d is equal to 7. Okay. So here change the sign because both have same sign. ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನಷ್ಟೇ ನೋಡೋದು, ಸೈನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲವಕ್ಕೂ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ both a are plus, so change the sign of the first equation. So a minus 3d and minus 7. Okay, so plus a and minus a get cancelled. Plus 8 minus 3, so plus 8 minus 3 is what? 5 into
5,
d
sir.
is equal to 17 minus 7 is what? 10. So d is equal to 10 divided by 5. So 5 ones are 5 twos are. So d value is 2. That is
2.
written here. Substitute the value of d equal to 2 in any of the two equation 1 or 2. We will get value of a. So in equation 1, if value of d is equal to 2 is substituted, means a plus 3 into 2 is 6. A plus 6 is equal to what? 7. So a is equal to 7 minus 6. So a is what? 1. So value of a is 1 and d is what? 2. Substitute both the values in Sn formula. What is the Sn formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So from equation 1, so we get the value of a is 1. So here a plus 3 into 2, d is 2 equal to 7, 6. So a plus 6 is equal to 7. If this 6 comes to the right side, means 7 minus 6, that is 1. So a is equal to 1. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket of 2 plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket of 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into d is 2. All the things are substituted here. So n by 2 into bracket of 2 plus 2n minus 2. So 2 into n is 2n. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. So plus 2 and 2 get cancelled. So Sn is equal to what? N by 2 into bracket of 2n. N by 2 into bracket of 2n, because this plus 2 and minus 2 already get cancelled. In ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊರಗಡೆ outside the bracket there is a n by 2 term is there. Here that was missing. Okay, so n by 2 into bracket of 2n remains finally. So n by 2, in that n by 2, 2 and in bracket 2n term is there. 2 and 2 get cancelled. N into n becomes n square. So see here 2n, n by 2 into 2n. So 2 and 2 get cancelled. N into n is n square. Right. I will explain this one. Before that, take the screenshot of this one up to this. Have you taken?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Sn is equal to, wait. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We have in that Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket of 2 into 1. A is 1 plus n minus 1 into d is 2. So this is equal to n by 2 into bracket of 2 into 1 is 2 plus 2 into n is 2n. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. So minus 2 and plus 2 get cancelled. This becomes what? N by 2 into this 2n. 2n. Here n and n get cancelled. This becomes what? N into n, 2 into 2, 2 and 2 get cancelled. N into n becomes n square. Finally, we get n square. Sn is equal to what? N square. If you see in the answer section, they have given n square, not n. So here there is a small mistake while creating the PPT. So Sn is how much? N square. Take the screenshot of this. Okay. So ಇವತ್ತಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇವತ್ತು. Okay. So we'll move to next. So 10th one is given. Show that A1, A2, A3, AN form an AP where AN is defined as below. So first question ge A1 AN 3 plus 4n. Second one ge AN is equal to 9 minus 5n. ಇವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾವೆ? ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ. ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 15 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಈಚ್ ಕೇಸ್. ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 15 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು, ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 15 ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. A1, A2, A3, AP ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ AN first substitute value of n as 1, next n as 2, n as 3. Okay, after finding A1, A2, A3, A4, find common difference D. A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3, all should be equal, then they form AP. In the same way for this also we have to do. After finding A and D, we can find S15 for both. Okay, see here. So A1, this is A1 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 1 is 7. A2, 3 plus 4 into 2 is equal to 3 plus 4 to the 8, 11. So A3, 3 plus 4 into 3, 3 plus 4 3 is 12, 15. So 7, 11, 15. ಇವು AP ನ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ should be equal. For that, common difference, to find the common difference, A2 minus A1 is equal to 11 minus 7, that is 4. So 15 minus 11, that is also 4. 19 minus 15, that is also 4. So first question, AN is equal to 3 plus 4n forms an AP ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ so ಎಲ್ಲಾನು 4 ಬಂತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು? So the given sequence forms an AP with first term 7 and the common difference 4. First term ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಿದೆ? 7 ಇದೆ. ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? 4 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ತರ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? S15 ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ AP. ಫಾರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ AP S15 ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ 4, Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S15 is equal to 15 by 2 into bracket of 2 into a is 7 plus 15 minus 1 into d is 4. So 15 by 2. Okay, 15 by 2. 2 7s are 14 plus 15 minus 1 is 14. 14 4s are 56. Okay, 56 plus 14 is how much? 70. Okay, 15 by 2 into 70. 15 by 2 into 70. 2 ones are 235s are 15 into 35. So this is 15 into 35. That is 525 is the answer. Take the screenshot. Similarly, do the second one. Second one ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, just screenshot ತಗೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ second one ಗೆ.
Yes, sir.
Who is that? Please off your speaker.
Okay. Prove.
Right. Second one is like this. Take the screenshot. Yes. Shall we stop
Yes, sir.
today? Right.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Okay.
Bye, sir. Thank you.